The Aussie dollar is now trading at 62.5 US cents, down close to a cent since this time last night. It's the lowest US dollar exchange rate since April 2020, when it was coming back from the 55-cent low of a month earlier. But as you can see from the long-term chart, this is the sort of level that is often the low from which it bounces, except when it kept going to 50 cents during the Asian crisis of the late 1990s. Now, it's worth noting, by the way, that while the Aussie is down 13% year to date against the US dollar, it's not down at all on the index, which includes the currencies of all the countries we trade with. And that's the one that matters for exporters and travellers to other places than the United States. The share market fell a bit as resources and banks went backwards. Baby Bunting was taken to the woodshed after telling shareholders that margins have been squeezed by competition. And a company that sells underwear made from bamboo, Step 1, was pulled up 16% for some reason. The US market fell last night for the fourth session in a row, and Asian markets mostly fell by more than 2% today. And precious metals fell on commodity markets, but iron ore went up. The ABS released some household spending data today, and, well, buying clothes and going out is back in town. Spending at cafes and restaurants is 26% higher than before the pandemic, and sales of clothing 48% higher. And the other thing that's back is the spraying of visas for foreign students on working holidays. That should help businesses find staff, but don't bother trying to rent somewhere to live. And that's finance.